provide the energy to cool this system.
Okuraburo kukhirwa yo tumwebaze John Kirimi omushubuzi mukuru muri Mbarara kandi umuhinji w'umwana muri Mbarara City obwabira ryo mugambe mukuru aha mukuru gukojweka batwire no batendekwa bari kuhendera imishomo yabo aha Makerere University Business School itajeri ya Mbarara
ikikwasa kwa habura n'ibintu bishatu kuba amazima kuba respectful na no kuba imasiru kora no yisa tikateka ukujana na kaboda boda kore no kama mate tikateka ukujana na restaurant mbenu ugire intasya ikuringariye no kwija kuraba umuguru tabirenti wivuze.
One of the English so barugomu training age inga to attend actually one bakumanaginga businesses zabo ninga shuku kumenga strong businesses zabo bazitambuzaje umetendere iriyo icya kabiri no kumakinga sure ngo ba fulfilling obligations zabo.
Professor Richard Achisimire urukuri tendekere rya Mubuzi Mbarara na hamyangu Mubuzi na Uganda Development Bank nubaza kugumiza mu kutendeka abanyamyogo kureba ngo bashirize kigenderwa cya President Museveni eco kurwanisa ubworo.
Is expected of us as an institution, that is expected of the UDP team, so we appreciate whatever that you are doing. To our participants and graduates, congratulations for reaching this milestone. And I want to believe that this is a very proud moment that you should be so happy about.
It is very hard to do business in Uganda when you don't have the taxman with you. You will agree with me that even if we are talking about financing, we may not get this financing if your compliance level is not up to standard.
Abatendekirwe basimire UDP na Mubuzi okubatendeka bakaba bakugu.
Tubire tutakabire ready kugira ngo twayenda kongera Central business yitu beta kwasa kuzo mu banka tukaziye konga kurugero kuba training ebintu byo kuba investor ready turi ready kugira ngo buri muntu wene kwenda kuja kupataninga nitwe nitumwakira kandi ibintu byitu byo nakurugera izoba no kweyongera iyo tuje kubiteka ha mutindo no kusinga munonga ebitabo byitu.
Gasha kwa Fred turiyakira.